Yes, people, welcome to a new video, and in this video we're gonna export our bookmarks in Safari. So if we go to Safari, we have to, this is a private window, we don't want that because it's opening already automatically private window. We don't want that, we just want a normal window. And you see my websites here, and I want to export my bookmarks. You go to File, and you see Export Bookmarks. So if you want to export your bookmarks, you go export it, and we put it here on our desktop. So we save it, and it's coming up here. We have the bookmarks over here. So that's it for today. Hope I helped you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.